Good morning, everyone. Here is what is on my bench today. We just started making these coat hooks or towel hooks or whatever you want to use them for. Obviously they're made from forks. We drill the holes and provide the screws for you to mount them. Each one has a little different shape and lots of different patterns to choose from. I have those here. I've already gone and pre-drilled all of them, sent them all to the tumbler. Now I just have to bend them. Out of the tumbler this morning came a bunch of keychains. This one, where is it? This one right here. This one's really cool. It says Mother. I put two holes in it. So that I can put a chain on it and it can be worn just this way. So I thought that was really cool. It says Mother. This pattern is from 1871, which is really cool. But I have some other keychains, bits and pieces. We try not to waste anything. So I have those, put jumpers on some of them. Some of them are just going to get bagged up and just get the keychains put on, the key rings. This little guy here, this is fork tine that broke off of an elephant I was trying to make. So it goes on a necklace and I can put a bead in here. I did have a little red bead that I put in here, but I guess nobody liked it because I still have it. So I ran it back through the tumbler and we'll get that made back into a necklace. Some of these are really nice old patterns. I think this is 1907-ish. And then right here, these guys just all came out of the tumbler this morning. They're gonna get made into these guys. These are keychain holders or key holders. So we're gonna be selling them like this with the screws. There's one screw here, one screw up here. We also are getting some blocks to mount these on. Let me see what I got here. Sorry about that. These little guys here. So I accidentally drilled this one, the hole's too far apart. So the top screw won't screw into this one. So this one's ours. We can put it up. It turned out pretty nice. We sold a couple of them and the people really like them. We've tested one out for a little while and they're pretty easy to make, so I'll probably make a video of that. And that's gonna be these guys here. So I do everything in big batches because I have so much stuff to make. So that's why there's a ton of these. And the nice part is these guys, I can drill the holes here and I can do the tine bending at one of the shows. So we have a show on Saturday. So I'll get all these drilled today and they'll be ready to go. I'll get all of these guys bent today and they'll be ready to go. Besides swinging the tops, I can do that at the show. And then I have 3 octopus I need to make. I only have 1 left. So I'll be making these guys today. And yesterday I went through the knives. I ran out of bells, so I need to get my knife handle stockpiled back up. But these were in the mix of our regular butter knives. This one here is super pretty. But these guys will become feathers or bookmarks, but I still have to, I've got them sanded down. I just have to put the holes in them So this one here will most likely become a bookmark. It's got a nice little shape to it. So I have to put holes in those. I have to put holes in these. I have to make these octopus. And I need to bend these guys and put jump rings and key rings on these guys. So that is what I'm doing today. I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm running on Duncan, not a sponsor. And I will be making probably a couple videos today. So I hope you guys all have a great day. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified, and please subscribe. I hope you guys all have a nice day, and I have a lot of work to do.